So here we have the element number 1. So this is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. What is in the present progressive element number 1? The verb to be. And the verb to be conjugated in the present. So verb to be plus 2, the verbs with ing. So let me put here the verb with ing. So these are the progressive verbs, yeah? And if we can only have like sentences with 3 words. For example, let me put here the options, right? We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So we have the first one, which would be am. We have 2, as in is, and we have 3, as in are. So every sentence in the present progressive has either am, is, or are. That's the element number 1. And the element number 2, it's the verb with ing. So for example, a very easy verb could be sleep, yeah? As what you are doing in this class. So if I put here, this is the verb in its base form. But if I add the ing, and then I add a personal pronoun. So here I have the verb to be, verb with ing, sleeping. And that's a complete sentence. I am sleeping, or we can use the personal pronoun in the third person, as for example, exactly, or it's like a name, right? So instead of saying he, we could use, for example, I don't know, Manuel, right? That's the equivalent. If I put Manuel, remember that that's the equivalent to use he. Therefore, we use number 2. So Manuel is sleeping, and then we put a period as the end of the sentence. Yeah? This is for the affirmative sentences. So let me put here affirmative so you don't miss it out. Affirmative. And in order to be very clear on the tense that we're checking, this is the present progressive, as in P, or C, as in continuous. Okay? This is for the affirmative sentences, and for the negative sentences, we only have to check that we add another element. We add the particle not. So let's change the name, right? Let's put Milena is not working. So in this case, instead of having 2 elements, we have 3. We have is, which is number 1. We have not, which is number 2. And we have the verb with ing, which is number 3. That's for the negative sentences, right? Let me put it here. Negative. And one more. We have another format or type of sentences, which would be the interrogative sentences, or the questions. And for that, we have the verb to be first, as in, for example, are, and then the personal pronoun, you. So we have the element number 1, which is the verb to be. I am using are because I'm using the personal pronoun you. And then are you, and number 2 would be the verb in progressive, as in, are you, I don't know, working, playing, yeah? No, I'm not playing, I have to be in class. But that would be it. And in English, we only have this, the closing interrogative mark. We don't have the opening one. That's only for Spanish. So this would be the element number 2. And I'm going to put here a Q as in question and interrogative as what we're checking. Yeah, so that's it.